Today we will be learning how to read financial statements. Uh, and then tomorrow we will have how to do a health check of your business. Friends, at this point in time, I would like to mention that the country's economy is not run by politicians. Country's economy is not run on the strength of bureaucrats or media or film stars or actors. Country's economy runs on the strength of the business people. It is the business people, the entrepreneurs, who make the contribution, who do the value addition, who do the value creation, who increase the GDP of the country. And it is on the strength of the contribution made by all the businesses across the country that a country grows. And therefore, first of all, I would like to salute all of you. And when I say all of you, that means every businessman, every entrepreneur in this country who has been doing his might to add the value for the economy. Now, in my experience, I have seen most of these businessmen and entrepreneurs have brilliant ideas, tremendous amount of energy, dedication, devotion, commitment. Oh, there is absolutely no limit as far as their dedication and commitment is concerned. But where many times they fall short, and that too in the beginning, they fall short is understanding of finance. And that is why I thought, let me help the people who are helping economy of the country and bring out this training program so as to ensure that they get a cutting edge in their businesses. They get a cutting edge in their operations and they are able to achieve higher value creation, higher value, higher profitability. So it is very important for every businessman, every entrepreneur to do a regular health check. Regular health check. And please remember, as an individual, you and I have to go to a doctor or have to go to a pathology. Then only we can know as to what is my health checkup. But as a businessman, as an entrepreneur, you have the possibility of doing the health checkup of your business by yourself. It's no big deal. You only need to understand few tools, and I'm going to share those tools with you tomorrow. And then on the third day, which is 19th July, we would be covering how to manage working capital of your business profitably. Friends, remember, across the globe, 90% of the times when a company is closing down, it is closing down because of bad working capital management. And please also remember, across the globe, history is full of examples where a company could turn around, and it could turn around only because it implemented efficient working capital management. Now, on the third day, we would discuss what is that efficient working capital management and how to achieve that working capital management. So, this is the broad plan that we have for these three sessions. And I would once again repeat, all of you already have the knowledge of finance in you. मैं आपको बताता हूँ, मैं खाली एक बाल्टी का काम करने वाला हूँ. आपके पास में फाइनेंस की नॉलेज है ऑलरेडी. मैं खाली बाल्टी डाल के वो नॉलेज को बाहर निकालने वाला हूँ. और मुझे वो sometimes just to interrupt, sometimes the signal is a little weak, so I get a message on my screen, and that time I would stop, not speak, because if I speak you will not be able to understand me in any case. So in case if I stop in between, do not worry about it. So I'm just going to do the job of a bucket, and I just need your help. And what help I need from you, as I said earlier, ask as many questions as you can. Ask all your doubts, all your queries, all your queries. Today when you go from here, tomorrow when you go from here, day after tomorrow when you go from here, you should go with completely brim, overflowing with the understanding. So what we start the session with, number one, as you can see on the screen, financial challenges, and that you have to tell me as to what are the financial challenges that you have been facing in your business. Then how to get up to face these challenges. Problems are there. Problems will always be there. And remember, that is why an entrepreneur, that is why a businessman, because a businessman is always a solution finder. So, how to gear up? We will understand whatever are the challenges as a result of Corona in our business. How can we gear up to face those challenges? Then we look at the financial statements, अंडरस्टैंड देम एंड इट वुड बी माई एंडिवर. मेरी कोशिश होगी कि मैं फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट को आपको इतनी आसान तरीके से समझाऊं कि आपको आज के बाद फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट को समझने में कोई दिक्कत ना हो. Then we would talk about the session for tomorrow, which I'm going to speak to you tomorrow. And let us come to the first slide. And now you have to tell me what are the problems and the challenges that you are facing in your business, or you have faced in your business ever since the corona has come.